Hey YouTube, we're back with another unboxing. This time it's the PSG collab with Jordan Brand. Shall we go and have a look? Hey YouTube, my name's Mr. B, and if you are new to this channel, before we get to the unboxings, I better tell you what we do around here. We tend to do sneaker unboxings, we do the cinematic on foot videos, and we also stream on Sundays. That would be 12 PM on the West Coast-ish, could be 1 PM, but generally 3 PM on the East Coast, and that is also about 8 PM in the UK. Definitely is. And what do we do on this streaming show? Well, we talk about sneakers, but everyone is not here to listen to me ramble on. Shall we get back to the unboxing? So SJ, there on Sneaker Cam, I am going to speed up about now.
You don't need to speed up, man.
I don't need to speed up, do I? I just need to pull for freshness. He says. Are we ready, camera one? Are we ready, camera? No, you're camera two. You're camera one. Sneaker Cam, you ready for this? So good, so good. Doesn't get to speed the video up, but let's do it. Zoom. Right there, camera one. This is a USA 11.5. Your Sneaker Cam, I'm getting all the cameras mixed up today. This shows the tiredness that I am exhibiting in my face. Now these are Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG BCFC, and they are AR254001 black challenge red, or more appropriately Sneaker Cam, Noir Rouge Challenge Noir. There we go. Right, so everyone knows Jordan 1, you can tell by the box. I already told you anyway. So let's get rid of the lid. Boom, 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 boom. So the first thing I'm gonna say, I haven't bought a pair of Jordan 1s for a while. And even though the fabric on these is different, camera one, the fabric is different, they've still got Jordan Brand smell. I don't know what it is, like Jordan Brand must use a very particular type of glue because they've got that smell to them. What have we got here? So we have got the Jordan 1, I'm going to call it like the PSG collab, so the Paris Saint-Germain collab. This is the first time, Sneaker Cam, that Jordan Brand have collabed with a football or soccer club. Well, the first club that they have. The Jordan 5 that came out earlier in the summer, there was a PSG version of that. So shall we have a look? We're going to have a look. Right, so let's look at these details. Now, oh, there's a nice little detail in here. I'm going to come back to that. So the first thing is, right, as usual with the Jordan 1, they're not laced from factory. So as always, as I said to Sneaker Cam, they come from the factory unlaced, but I think we're going to lace them about now. And there, by magic, they're all laced, which makes them look a lot better already. So, SJ, we were having a little chat, and SJ's going to me, why all the hype? And I'm like, I'm not sure. She's literally like telling me, these are not worth the money. Well, camera two, I'm inclined to agree with her. I'm already looking at them, and she's going, but they're not leather. They're not leather, but there's a story behind them. So these are neoprene. You can probably hear that on the mic. So these are neoprene. This is supposed to represent the club shirt and the material that they're made out of. There's no leather on these apart from the swoosh, and that might not even be leather. So let's have a closer look, SJ, because there are a couple of details on these. So first of all, they're a black colorway, and that is supposed to be the alternate kit of PSG, Paris Saint-Germain. We've got here as well, down on, this is a nice little detail. You see this? Got the black and red stripes here. Sorry, the red and white stripes just there, which is also followed through on the tongue tab. We've also got on the tongue tab, we've also got on the back of the tongue, club logo, get that? Which is quite a nice little touch. There's like lots of little hidden details on these. We've got on the lace caps, I don't know if you can see that, which I only noticed when when magically they were lacing. There's a little Jumpman. You see that? There we go. We bring the Jumpman in close. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then we've got the wings. Actually, I said the swoosh was the only leather piece. The wings, I think, are in leather as well. And the wings are there on the side. You get that, SJ? I'm gonna put that into the light for you. Maybe you can see the wings. So we can see there, we're just gonna flip round to the sole, everyone. You can see the sole there. There you go. It's just a standard sole. The midsole is a nice white, which I think contrasts quite well for the shoe. There's one other hidden little detail for the Paris connection. Let me see if these are going to come out. Right, bear with me. I'm not going to pull that out, but we are going to look in the other shoe that's not laced. I'm going to just take the standard Jordan piece of shoe tree thingamy-bob. So can you see that? Ici c'est Paris. I'm being directed from behind the camera, everyone, and I've got no idea what these directions mean. This apparently means go away. Are we good? Are we good? Yeah? I am going to get so told off when we stop filming this. I'm just going to get like a complete telling off. Alternate laces are red. And actually, when we think about it, those alternate laces might do better. Like if we look there, black and red, what do you think, SJ? I think when we do the cinematic on foot for these, I think I'm going to swap the red laces, because that'll look all right, won't it, SJ? Yeah, SJ is agreeing with me. So why all the hype? These originally sold out on the sneakers app, but I can tell you, what, 2 or 3 days after they sold out the sneaker app, there are restocks of these happening everywhere. And I was actually in London yesterday, so that is 2 days after they came out the sneakers app, and we saw them in 3 stores. Was that 3 stores at least? So we saw them in Offspring, I think. I think we saw them in End. And I think we saw them in Sneakers and Stuff, or maybe Dover Street Market. SJ's still not sure in these. I think these are a grower. I don't think that they warrant the hype, but these are a classic. You can't beat a black Jordan 1. And actually, given that I got the City of Lights leather, which lots of people sat on and don't like the leather on that, but that is a black sneaker with a black and gold. I think that looks really nice. This, I think, just with a hint here, as you can see there, just with that hint, and then the hint of red on the front. Let's go back to the tongue. The hint of red on the tongue there. I think it's just those flashes that make it quite a nice, clean, classic shoe, but doesn't warrant the hype at all. Doesn't warrant the hype. But, I'm saying but a lot in this thing. But doesn't warrant the hype, but it's still a super nice shoe. I'm quite pleased I got these. SJ wanted these, and now she's not sure. She's like, So SJ, do you want these?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I would just wear them to beat them.
So SJ would wear these to beat these, and I actually think that's the right approach. I don't think these are a shoe, this isn't a shoe that is going to stand the test of time for classicness, I don't think, but this is a shoe that you should definitely wear every day. Definitely, this is an everyday shoe you can wear in and absolutely beat the crap out of. These might become, although like I'm loving this detail here, and if and when these get beaten the crap out of by me, I think I will be sad, but yeah, it's we'll have to see what they look like on foot. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear them with. I'm really not. That's good. Like I'm getting faces. I'm getting so many faces. So people, because I'm getting all of those faces, just want to say thanks for joining us as always. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the thumbs up. Thanks for all the comments. If you're into Instagram, and I know SJ's into Instagram, if you're into the gram, we are Pint of Stuff on Instagram. And don't forget, if you're on Twitter, we tend to be Pint of Stuff on there as well. Let us know if you've used the Twitter. We're kind of dying back on Twitter, but I could be persuaded to come back just for sneakers. So everyone, until next time, I think I'd better say that we're out of here.